Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a little comparison. So I have two sets of Luxy hair extensions here. So I have the seamless collection, or like the seamless style, and the classic style of the ash blonde. So I pretty much have the same set in both of the styles. So I just kind of want to do like a little comparison in this video. So in case you guys are wondering which one you should get, maybe this video will help you. So I'm going to start off with just like a comparison of the extensions themselves, and then I'm going to put each set in my hair so you guys can kind of see what they look like on as well. Alright, so this is the seamless style, and I actually have another video on these. I did like a little unboxing slash first impression, so if you guys want to see that, I'll link it down below and up in the card as well. So I've had these for like, I guess a few months now, and I just got the classic collection. So I have been able to wear these for like a few months. These ones I just got, but I have had extensions like this in the past, so I feel like I can kind of speak candidly on both. And I have toned these with purple shampoo, and these ones are right out of the box. So this is kind of like the color that they look like when you get them, and this is kind of toned with purple shampoo. Alright, and just for a comparison, they both come in 20 inches, so I have both of them in 20 inches here. The classic does come in a 16-inch option as well, whereas the seamless only comes in 20 inches. And the sets that I have, the seamless is 180 grams, and the classic I have in 160 grams. So they're pretty much like the same. The seamless, this one costs $209 US. And the classic costs $169 US. So it's actually only a $40 difference. I think in my last video I said it was almost like double the price, but I was wrong. If you're comparing like the same sizes, they're about a $40 difference. Okay, so this is a piece from the classic collection. So you have the hair and it's sewn on, and it's sewn onto like this piece of fabric, and then the clips are sewn on top. So that is what this looks like. Here is one from the seamless collection. So the hair is encased in this like silicone strip, so it is definitely a lot thinner. And then you have the clips, and they're sewn on in the same way. Alright, and then this is what they look like next to each other for comparison. So you can see the seamless one is underneath and the classic is on top. So the seamless is considerably thinner. So that is what they look like next to each other. So that's like the main difference between the two. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put in the extensions from the classic collection so you guys can see what they look like on. I do have videos on like how I clip in my clip-in hair extensions, so if you guys are new to clip-ins and you want to see like what order I put them in and stuff like that, I'll link that video down below. But yeah, I'm going to go put them in off camera and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. This is the classic set in, and keep in mind these are the ones that are like straight out of the box. I haven't toned them or cut layers into them or anything like that. So this is what they look like right when you get them. So I'm going to stand up and show you guys the length. They go like down to your waist. And as you can see, they are a little bit more on the golden side versus my hair is a little bit more on that like ashy platinum side. And I am going to zoom you guys in. I kind of want to show you like what it looks like up close, because I do have thin hair and I do want to see if you guys can like see the difference between the two styles on camera. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you kind of can see like what's going on over here. And I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. There you can kind of see how it's like a little bit lumpy. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Alright, so now I'm going to switch to the seamless style and I'll show you guys the difference. Alright, I'm back. So I have the seamless ones in. I'm going to show you what they look like standing up. So these are the ones that I did trim a little bit and cut a little bit of layers into them and wash them with purple shampoo. So you guys can kind of see the difference. So I did trim them a little bit. So I took off like maybe like 2 inches. So that's what these look like. And I'm going to zoom you guys in again so you guys can see what the wefts look like under the hair. So I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but they do lay a lot flatter on the head. So I'm like really pushing it down and you can't really see any lumps. You can kind of see that one a little bit showing through my hair, but that's not bad. The main difference is the seamless ones do lay a lot flatter to the head because they are thinner and does overall look a lot more seamless, if you will, versus the classic ones do add a little bit more volume or bulk. If you have thin hair like me, it might look a little bulky and a little bit more like bumpy, but if you have thicker hair or like medium to thick hair, the classic one might look good on you if you want to like add that thickness. Do you know what I mean? If you want that like Lily Galucci look, go for like the classic in like the thickest, I think it's like 220 grams is like their thickest set, and you'll have like hella volume and it'll look like really thick and luscious. But if you have thin hair, then maybe go for the seamless one because it will probably sit a lot flatter on your head and look more invisible. And as far as comfort goes, they pretty much feel the same. Before I did this, I thought that the classic one was a bit more comfortable, but after I was doing this video, honestly, I can't really tell a difference between the two. Like when I put them in right after each other, I'm like, they kind of feel the same, except the seamless ones, the silicone weft is a little stiffer than like the fabric weft. So maybe that's why I kind of thought the classic one was like a little bit more comfortable, because it is like, I don't know, a little bit more flexible, and the silicone wefts are a little stiffer, but I don't know, they don't really feel too much different, so it's kind of just like personal preference. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. So I hope you found it helpful. If you're looking to buy some hair extensions and you want to see the difference between the two, the classic and the seamless, I'll leave links for everything down below, and I think I have like a little $10 off link as well. All the details will be down below, so if you guys want to check it out. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!